Hi, today we're gonna be making the glow eye. For this you're gonna use the specific shape circle. Don't use any other shape, and it's pretty obvious why I'm using circle. You can adjust it according to the eye. And now whatever effects I'm using here are very important, so make sure that you use each and every one of them except of the last one. But there's nothing additional in here, they're all really amazing. I'm using zoom blur. I will definitely add the name at the end. You can copy the settings of my effects, but as a Alight Motion editor or any kind of editor, I've never used the same settings, especially in these while making a glowing eye, because I don't remember it and I am too lazy to go back and check. And then I added exposure and now Gaussian blur. Again, you can copy the settings. There's nothing specific. Now fade in and out, it's not compulsory, but I'm using it. I did it at 1 second 30 frames. You can copy that. Now I'm going to duplicate the one glowing circle thing and adjust it on the other side. You can make one glowing eye, that also looks cool. That's a different style of editing, and you can change the color of the other eye if you want. This is how mine turned out. Let me know how yours turned out. Bye.